Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of your Pinterest account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on both PC and mobile, starting with PC. Open up Pinterest.com in a web browser and log into your account if you are not already logged in. Now click on the drop-down menu arrow to the right of your profile image at the top right of the homepage. Click Logout from the bottom of the drop-down menu. Now I will show you how to log out of your Pinterest account on the mobile app. Open up the app and make sure you are logged in. Tap the profile button at the bottom right of the page. Now tap your profile image at the top left of the page. Hit the settings cog from the top right of the page and then scroll down and tap Logout from the bottom of the menu. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.